In this video, I'm going to show you the best MetaTrader indicator that has a very good exceptional results. And this indicator does not repaint. It is very simple to use the indicator. And today I'm going to give the analysis and signals based on the daily time frame. So guys, as you can see that I'm using the first chart, that is Euro USD daily, and right now you can see that the market is already into the downward direction. However, on the daily chart, if I zoom in my picture, then you can see here that I have received a buy signal from the indicator. Okay, so I'm again repeating that this indicator does not repaint, so this buy signal is going nowhere. So for example, here we have two random signals, buy and buy, here sell and buy, and then you can see they are here still on the screen. There does not repaint. Okay, so once it is going to give you the decision, so it's not going to change its decision until unless the pattern does not change. Okay, now if we look at the chart, then Euro USD is already so much down, and look at the beauty, because on the daily time frame you should not expect so many signals from the indicator. However, if you are going to 4 hour, 1 hour, then definitely the signals will be more than the daily chart. Okay, now it looks like that Euro USD is ready to flew into the upward direction. So this is the signal. So for example, if I go and change my lot size to like 0.01, 0.04, 0.05, then I will be able to catch swing trades using this indicator, because it's very simple methodology. Okay, now let's have a look on USD CHF. Guys, if we talk about the previous buy signal, then we have a long ride here and we went up to here, and then the dots get very straight. That was the clear message that you should not be entering into the market here. So if you are in the profits, then you need to exit. Now what happened after this drop, you can see that it has pointed us with the sell signal, and right now you can see even with the today's day that you can see that USD CHF is pumping down. Okay, so it means that we have bearish expectations, and if you have sell from here, it must be profit, sell from here, buy from here. So on the daily chart you should not expect so many random signals. So this is the beauty of this indicator. Now this is the Great Britain Pound USD daily chart, and if you look at here, our last signal is the buy signal, and you can see the market is already going up. So this is the quality, and the previous signal was sell, and look at here how long the ride went into the downward direction. So you can see that still we have a lot of chances to make a good amount of money using this indicator, because this indicator is not going to repaint, and I offer 2 days free trial for using this indicator. So guys, if you want to get the free trial, then you can contact me on official email, that is info@200forexpips.com. Okay, so right now I am on the gold daily chart, and if you look at gold, then what's happening here, you can see that on 8th of October we have received a buy signal from this indicator, and right now only one candle get rejected, and still the today's candle is also pumping up, and still the dots are green. Let me show you that how you can understand this. If we make a trend line on the dots, then you can see the dots are directed into the upward direction. So it means it's very simple that it has still chances to go into the upward direction. So guys, you can adjust your stop losses according to it as well. For example, you have been given a buy signal here, you can set up the stop loss here, but in case if the signal gets changed, then it will also be considered as your stop loss, so you can be able to take swing trades using this indicator. Now let's have a look on USD JPY. USD JPY is going up from many days. Who knows that it has gone to that area? No one was sure, because if you look at the previous momentum of the market, was dead slow, and it was raging in this rectangle. So that was very simple. It break that structure, and then it went into the upward direction. Now guys, to be honest, just tell me that once the structure get break from here, then it was a very good chance to make a profit from USD JPY. And look at the direction of the dots. The dots are directed into the upward side. It means it was a good chance to enter into the buy position. Okay, so a very good swing trade, not risky, because you are just applying a smaller lot size, not a heavy lot size on the daily chart. If we have a look on USD CAD daily chart, then guys, look at this long bearish ride on USD CAD, and it is going into the downward direction. So why you are losing your money into the Forex? Because you are getting a lot of random signals from the different indicators. That's the only reason you are losing, and you do not have the idea about the price action trading. And I have started the price action trading coaching from 3 to 4 weeks, and subscribers are taking the coaching from me. So you can also book your sessions with me. If you want to book your sessions, you can contact me on Telegram, WhatsApp, or through email as well. Now look at here, a big ride and the downward ride on USD CAD, and the signal hasn't changed, so it means that it's very good signal from the indicator. So if you are just following the daily chart of the indicator, then guys, I think so you must be in a very good profit. Now look at this long sell ride, how long AUD USD daily went into the downward direction. Not looking for the charts on a daily basis, because this indicator is going to make your every decisions. Look at here, and now from 7th of October we have received a buy signal, and you can see the market is still going into the upward direction, and it's 13th it's showing the data up to 13th here. However, we are at 18th of October at the moment, so this is the date here we are falling at the moment. So guys, I'm just talking about the quality signals. Now look at here, I have seen in forums and many other places that why Canadian dollar JPY has moved up. So if we don't look for these answers, that why Canadian dollar JPY has moved so much, I am into loss because I am into the sell positions. So many people have the floating profits on Canadian dollar JPY. So guys, if you had this indicator and if you have just following the buy signals, because if you even look the previous signals, they were not random signals, only one signal came here and then it was changed, so almost very less loss on this one. But you can see on this one you must have recovered from everything, and even you have filled your MT4 terminal with profits. Now let's talk about Euro JPY. Euro JPY is many sell positions are active on Euro JPY by many people, many traders. They are still into the sell positions. I know because on the daily chart, if we have a look at here, it has reached to the previous level of the resistance. So if this resistance get break, then definitely it's going to move into the further upward direction, otherwise it will go down. But guys, I'm not talking about this thing, I'm just talking about this thing, that when this buy signal arises on the chart, if we talk about this signal, look, this long ride. So on this long bullish candle on 7th of October, this indicator has pointed us with the buy signal on Euro JPY, and now let's have a look where it stands. It went from 128 levels and right now it touched the 132.785. So guys, this is the quality. I do not have any words to say. And even if you have a look to Great Britain pound JPY, then guys, a very big long ride, because this is the daily chart, this is not the 5-minute chart, this is not the 15-minute chart. So guys, this is the quality filled with a bundle of profits. So guys, I hope that you must like the indicator. So if you like the indicator, please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and those subscribers who are willing to get this indicator, they can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. They can contact on Telegram, WhatsApp. All of the links are given in the description of the video below. And also, if you want 2 days free trial for using this indicator, then still you are most welcome to contact at any time. So guys, hopefully you like the video and you like the analysis. So thank you very much, and see you into the next video. Have a good day. Bye.